Alright, hey cartoon friends. So today we're going to draw a capybara holding a heart for Valentine's Day, because Valentine's Day is coming up, so I think it'd be good to make a card for your mom, your dad, or a friend, or whatever, or your favorite pet. Anyways, okay. So first what we're going to do is draw with a Crayola marker. I'm going to draw the head nice and big here, maybe tilted, and then it's going to have a little body over here and holding a nice big heart, okay? I'm gonna go right to marker this time and see how it goes. I know usually I rough it out in pencil, but I thought to try something a little bit different today and see if we can do it, but also keep it very simple. So let's draw with the marker. I'm just gonna test it out here. Looks good to me. Okay, so a nice big oval shape around here, okay? So we're gonna draw nice and big. And just keep it, start here, wrap it around, and then stop over here, okay? So let's try this out. So nice and big. Okay, great. And then I'm gonna draw the ears, okay? So now what's happening is I usually try to keep thicker lines here on the bottom area, but for now I think that's okay what I've done. I'm gonna draw the ears at the top, so just little rounded shapes here, okay? So here, let's try this. Like that. Okay, and another one right here. Okay, and then the inside lines too for the ear. Okay, like that. A little thinner in the inside too. So these are a little bit thinner, and the outside is a little bit thicker. You can see the difference there. Okay. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an eye shape here. So let's see. Nice and big, and then curl. Another eye shape over here, nice and big, and then curl. Okay, great. And then the nose and mouth. Okay, so a little line like this, a little line like that, and then straight down. Okay, great. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the arms. Okay, so this is going to come from this part, wrap it around like he's holding the heart. Okay, so it's got to be a shape like this. Watch, around. That, okay? Same thing on this side. So around like that, okay? I'm keeping a space in between so we can hold the heart shape, okay? Next, I'm going to do is I'm going to add the, I guess the hands like that, yeah. And then the feet, okay? So the feet, I'm just going to do big round shapes like that. Keep it simple. And another feet over here, okay? Nice and round. Great. And then lines for the feet. And then the bottom part of the body, and then the same thing, it'll come around and then wrapped around like that. Same thing over here, wrapped around like that, okay? Now I'm gonna do the heart shape. I'm gonna change to like a pink color. Just gonna test it out over here. So let's see. So I'll start here, center of the heart, wrap it around, and then like that, down, then up, wrap it around, down, okay? So this is the heart shape. Okay, great. And yes, I know I'm gonna draw the muzzle here, but I'm just gonna draw that with the crayons and stuff. So what I'll do is I'm gonna add some cheeks right around here, so to the cheek. Okay. And this over here as well. So just adding the cheeks. Okay. Great. And then what I'll do is I'll also color in the heart, since I'm here and using that kind of pink color. Okay. Okay, great. A little darken the areas underneath the arms to give it like a nice little shadow. Okay, great. Now what I'll do is guess the nose area, so in the mouth, or sorry, yeah, around here. So do a little circle with the pencil crayon or crayon. It's going to darken that up. Okay. And darken it a bit, because I want this to be a little bit darker than the main part of his body. Okay. As well as in here. Draw a little line across and then fill it in. So this is definitely going to be the darker part of the capybara. And then here as well, the feet. Darken that up. Can go even darker at this part, lower part here as well, okay, because that's touching the ground. Okay, and then the ears. The ears are nice too, just to separate it. There's a different color. All right. Here as well. Nice. Okay, now I'm going to color the main part of the capybara. I'm just using crayons right now. Yeah, just keep it nice and simple. Okay, I'm just peeling it because I want to use most, I guess, a little bit more of the area that I can kind of spread it out a bit more. Right, and on it, use it on its side, I guess. So here, let's fill it in. Okay, let's see how that looks. It's a nice little brown. It's a little lighter. It's nice. And over here, as well as under the body area. Yeah, I think it's coming along. I mean, it's super simple and fun. And then I'll fill in this area as well, the whole entire head. And that's kind of why I peeled it off here, just so I could, you know, fill in more of the area quicker. And then you can use markers if you wish. This is just, I wanted to use crayon. Gives it a nice look. And crayons are affordable, so I think it's nice. Okay. So just filling it in a little darker, obviously, to match. Right. I definitely have to darken the side area, the cheeks. Like that. Let's see if I can get a little darker too. I think it still needs a little darker on the sides here. So I'm just using a darker brown now. Here as well, a little darker. And even around the eyes, I think it'd look cool. Just a little hint of it. Darker shadow under there. And then darken here. Then what I'll do is I'm gonna add some heart shapes around it. So, but vary the sizes. So I'll do a big one here, like a big heart, and then a little heart, and then maybe like the tiniest heart there. Another big one here, and then, you know, small, and then maybe a big one right here. Just vary the shapes up. Don't keep it all the same. Make it looks cute like that. And then you can fill it in any color you wish. Right? So I'm just coloring this in real quickly right now, just to kind of get this done. And then you can write Happy Valentine's Day, make this into a card. You know, I think it looks good. What I'll do is I'll fix up here, darken this area a little bit, make it should be a little darker. Great, and then you can add, you know, the ground if you want. You can add a little grass, a shadow underneath. I can fill it in with crayon. Oh, where's the green? Green, green, green. There you are. Okay, great. Let me just fill that in. Yeah, I think it would be a great little card for mom and dad or a friend. Plus, capybaras are always super cute and fun to draw. So you can add, you know, different shapes for the head, or, but I kind of like this nice and round kind of shape for it. So yeah, I think that works. And then just write Happy Valentine's Day at the top, and then make sure you sign it. And that's it. All right, friends, I just wanted to wish you a happy Valentine's Day and enjoy your day, okay? There you go. High five.